In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Company up top, and you want to click on Make General Journal Entries. When you do that, you're gonna load up this menu, and then you want to go and select the account first, so you could do whichever account you want. I'm gonna go with vehicles over here, which in my case is a fixed asset. So if you don't have this, you can also add a new one, name it vehicles, and customize it in here, and it's gonna get added to your list. So I'm gonna go vehicles, and then over here you want to select a date. As you can see right now at the time of recording this video, this is indeed in the future. So I'm just going to go and basically put this on, let's do the 5th of March. And then here you can just put in the debit. So this is basically how much you've paid for the car. So I'm going to do like 35K, for example. And then when you do this, it's automatically going to add the credit on here as well. And here is where you basically have to select what you actually paid with. So it could be like whatever you are actually using. For me, there's a bunch of different things because this is like a demo account over here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to select, let's actually just do savings, okay? Doesn't matter now, but of course for you, it's going to matter because you have to put whatever you actually did. Then over here, you can add a memo, you can add like license plates, what car it is, or whatever you want. And then you have the name here. So the name, you can attach a name to it and the class as well if you want to, okay? So whenever you've done that, just click on the save and close over here and you've successfully done it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.